Here is how you integrate Monday.com to Outlook. From the top right, choose Integrations. Add new integration. And hit Outlook. It will also suggest an integration center. Simply hit Add to Board and connect your Outlook account, and that's it. Another thing is by using Zapier. It is an online platform that helps you automate workflows by connecting your apps and services you use. First, hit Create Zap. Can rename it, choose which application will be the trigger. What events or changes in column or the board. Next step is choosing your account. You might need to log in first for this. Test trigger can be skipped. Next one is choosing what action will it make once status changes. Again, choose Microsoft Outlook. We have a lot of choices here: send email, create draft, and many more. Lastly, sign in your Outlook account. And that's how you integrate Monday.com to Outlook.